Good job, my brother. Hold the clutch and turn, because even if you pull it back, it's not going to go nowhere. Keep your hand where it's at. Just think of the clutch right now. No throttle, clutch only. Now brake. There you go. Perfect, 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 perfect. Put your feet up. There you go. Let's get a perfect run in, man. You already know what you did wrong, bro. Yeah, so. So what did you do wrong, bro?
Shit.
Other than letting the clutch go. That was it, right?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
But why did you let it go? You just got anxious?
No, shit, I didn't get anxious. It was just like the fact that I was like, okay, like the last one I did,
Yeah.
I was like rolling, and then like, it was like, I don't know, I guess like when it gets to like a certain point, shit, like it'll do it on its own, and like, I just let it go at that point.
Okay.
I did that shit too early, and I wasn't at that point where, you know, it just started going.
Right. Okay.
That's how I fucked up at.
Okay.
Shit, and then, hell, this motherfucker's tired.
Yeah, that clutch, bro.
Yeah,
So another thing, click this when you're getting ready to stop.
Okay.
So how I had your hand here,
Yeah.
and your hand over there, you hold it. Once you're rolling, footer on the pegs, you're off of it. Once you come into a stop, you're gonna click it in and then brake.
Okay.
So we really don't gotta click this until we about to come to a stop. And then we easing off when we're going again. Let's go, bro. Yeah, you gotta have patience for this, man. Now right there, I kind of feel his situation. He's trying to turn, he's trying to let go of the clutch at the same time. Oh, that makes sense. I'm trying to tell him not to look down. He has no reason to look down. There you go. You go. Yeah, we got to get one perfect run in before we go in, man, or I'm gonna feel like I'm not doing my job. And no, I'm not getting paid to do this. I just want to teach him how to ride. Yeah, he can easily go to the class, but he's not. So right there, what he just did, I did not like. His feet was hanging all off. I think he gets nervous around people. That's what I'm noticing. He's getting nervous around people. We got to get a perfect run in. All right, hold on. All right, bro, so I want a perfect run, like no stalling. Yeah, no stalling, shit.
Yeah.
If you don't stall,
Yeah.
that's a perfect run. But it's not perfect if you, like how you just did, that's a perfect stop. But a while ago, over here,
Yeah.
you were like putting your feet down and still rolling. Try to come to a damn near complete stop before stopping.
Okay.
I mean, before putting your feet down. So you good, bro. Let's get a perfect run in before we go in. Like, I don't want you to stall out none. I want you to hit a complete circle without stalling. And you could do it, bro. As long as you remember, ease off the clutch and slow into my brakes. Ease off the clutch, because that's the only two things we're doing. Right. Ease off the clutch, slow into the brakes. And no rush, bro. Because the faster you go, the more you think you're doing it correctly, yeah. And you get more excited and you up. But you good. Just don't put your feet on till you're rolling. Remember that. Try to record this, see. Hopefully he could get a perfect run in. He may do a perfect run when I'm not around. Let's see. Wiping his hands, I guess he's sweating. Pick your feet up. Come to a stop. Boom. Now this is the part he gets nervous. Ease off the clutch and turn. There you go. Easy. Easy. There you go. Easy. Yeah, he doing way better now that I'm way over here. Brake. Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't get excited. Easy. Pick your feet up. Come to your stop. Gucci. Let's go. Easy, easy. Almost stalled it right there. I probably didn't hear it. But I almost hurt. He almost let that clutch all the way go. He doing real good. If he can make it back to me, we did something successful. Oh, he's going too fast. He's going too fast. He's getting by the kids. Okay. Okay. My boy about to make it back. All right, bro. That was a perfect run. You felt more better? Yeah. So now that you did it perfect.
Like, I didn't fuck up and that shit.
Yeah.
I wasn't gonna be like thinking like, oh shit, the next one and the next one.
Yeah. So now that you did it correctly, the best thing to do is do it again while you know you did it perfect. We ain't gonna go home on a perfect run. Yeah. We're gonna keep doing. If we could do it 2-3 more times perfect, you mastering it, you know. So the next time we come, yeah, that's all. It's progress, bro. I want progress. So really, main thing is I don't want you to stall out. Shit. So yeah, we ain't worried about the throttle.
Nah, shit, I was holding it. I thought, you know, now that you said that shit, like, before, and it was to the point where, like, I wasn't comfortable. That's why I kept doing this shit.
Yeah, here. But you feel comfortable holding it now.
Now, I'm
a feel of it.
Trying to relax, you know, not try to do
yeah.
that shit, do this shit,
Yeah.
but, like, accidentally
Yeah, see, that's main people's problem is they want to pull that back. You're going to pull it back regardless when you're riding.
Yeah. But
that ain't the main thing right now. The main thing is the basics, bro, the beginning. How can you crank up and go? So let's crank up and go, bro. We gonna meet here again, same thing.
All right.
Let's do 3 total. 2 more. I want 2 more perfect runs, but I really want 3 of them consistent. So we could do 2 more consistent, none stalling out. I think we did good today. Actually, we did great, bro. If we could do that, consistent. So if you run around, cause I can hear if you stall out.
Yeah, I know.
So I think over in this area you almost stalled out. I mean, you almost let it go too soon. I heard it.
Yeah.
So do exactly what you did. I think you do better without me being by you, bro, because you thinking for yourself.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna stay here.
Okay.
Just meet me back. So do what you did. Meet me back here. Remember, clutch is your safety, bro. So no throttle.
Hello?
I'm showing Terrell how to ride. We at the park. We're at the park by my house. Yeah. Yeah. Well, let me call you back because if he fall, it's gonna be a problem. Let me call you back. She gone with her cousin. No rush. No rush, bro. There you go. And then stop. No rush. All right, y'all. So he did four laps around, no stall outs. Okay, so that's what he is looking back for, to check his blind spot. Good look, man, good look. No mirrors. He doing real good. Get the feet up. There you go. So this is what I'm about to test him right here. This is where I could really see where his mind at once he makes it back right here and he does a complete circle without stopping. I'm gonna listen for if he gives it throttle. I'm gonna see how he's turning. I'm gonna watch all that, man, and I'm gonna give him a grade at the end of this. Bro, don't worry about that dog, bro. Terrell has made it around. Poor dog almost got hit by a 2020 Toyota Tundra. Luckily they had them good ABS Brimbos on that thing. Good job, my brother. Oh shit, this dog, man. Go on and stop, my brother. What? What?
My shit was slipping.
What was slipping?
My hand was slipping.
Off on the.
Yeah, I was trying not to.
You was about to pull it back?
I didn't like, you know, grip it a little bit like that hard. So I was like kind of like this shit, so I don't pull it down.
So if your hand's slipping, just pick it up. Like it was slipping like that?
Yeah, kind of like in the turn, like me turning.
Oh, on the turns, okay.
You know, I was kind of like.
Okay. In that case, hold the clutch.
Okay.
If you have to hold the clutch and turn, hold the clutch and turn, because even if you pull it back, it's not going to go nowhere.
All right.
So, how you feeling?
I think it's pretty good. I think I do all right. You know, I do like more. I can start working on other shit. If I do more, get this shit down.
Yeah. So this is going to be how to ride a motorcycle session 1, bro.
All right.
We'll keep doing it. However many sessions it take you to get it down is how many videos we'll upload, bro. But
save it and like send it to me so I can look at it.
Yeah.
That's it. So I can like see what the fuck I'm doing.
All right, y'all, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you made it to this point, you at the end of the video, man. So that's my boy Terrell, man. Y'all go follow his IG. He pretty much, his bike is that third bike that y'all been seeing in the garage, which is the, I think it's a 04 or 06 R6. I don't know exactly which year. But his bike and my bike got the same exact engine. Mine is just, I think, tuned for bottom end torque, and his is tuned for top end But we got the exact same engine. Thank you if you to this point of the video. Thank you for tuning in, man. Life with D Black. Subscribe. I got a lot of bike content, a lot of car content. I just gotta stay tuned. I got a whole bunch of different stuff coming up for y'all, man. But thanks for all the new subscribers and all y'all that's thinking about subscribing. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, man. But other than that, thank y'all for tuning in, and see y'all next video.